Hello and welcome to our channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. And if you're new here, please give us a like and show us support by subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Do you want to make money but you are under 18 years old? Luckily, with technology today, there are many options for teens looking to make some extra cash. Here are some of the more popular ways teens under 18 are making money in their spare time. Make money with reward sites. Making money through reward sites is popular largely because people can do it on their own time schedule without having to make a place for a scheduled shift job that requires 4 or more hours of their time. Reward sites cater to those with limited or chaotic schedules, allowing them to make money whenever and wherever they can. The 4 reward sites listed here are some of the more commonly used. Swagbucks. Swagbucks pays people money for doing quick and simple tasks. Some tasks include watching videos, playing games, a teen favorite, shopping online, answering surveys, and more. Swagbucks allows teens 13 and up to participate in activities for which they are paid in points. These points can then be used to buy gift cards to your favorite store or can be transferred to your PayPal account for a cash out. Swagbucks, multiple ways to earn, has paid out over $700 million, $10 sign-up bonus. Visit Swagbucks. INSTAGC. INSTAGC stands for Insta Gift Card. It's another rewards site available to people aged 13 and up. They will reward points for doing several different activities: completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web. Earned points can be used to get free gift cards, get cash direct deposited into a bank account, or get cash transferred to your PayPal account. INSTAGC. Earn rewards points from surveys, watching videos, and more. $1 gift card reward, free to join. Earn money tutoring. Do you like teaching others? If so, a job as a tutor might be right for you. There is at least one company that allows teens to sign up as tutors to others. Enroll. Enroll is a tutoring service where people as young as 15 can sign up to be tutors to students of a variety of different ages for a variety of different subjects. When you apply to enroll to become a tutor, you share your personal information as well as the subjects you would like to teach. It's important to be super knowledgeable about the subjects you offer to teach for enroll. As a tutor with enroll, you will provide your first 2 tutoring sessions for free so that potential students can see what your teaching style is and whether or not it may be right for them. After that, however, any lesson you teach are paid. You can also share lesson plan ideas, videos, and other teaching tools on the site that you can sell to fellow tutors. Earn cash for your opinion. There are several companies out there that pay teens, as young as 14 years old, money for giving their opinion via surveys and/or reviews. Here are a few of the most popular. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is called the most popular online spot to earn cash and rewards for sharing your thoughts. With Survey Junkie, you share your opinion on various surveys and then are rewarded points for each survey you complete. Points can be redeemed for free e-gift cards at popular stores such as Amazon, Target, iTunes, Starbucks, Walmart. You can also use your points for a cash deposit into your PayPal account. You can take surveys on any device at any time, which makes it nice for earning cash during those wait times at the dentist office or between social events. This could be a great That was today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something interesting. Comment down below what you liked the most about this video and suggest any topics that you would like to hear about in future videos. To show us support, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.